Hi you guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to do this video because it is on one of my favorite luxury pieces, and it is the YSL card holder. I am absolutely in love with them. I have a few of them, so y'all will see in my collection why I love them and why I think it's totally worth it, you guys. And I wanted to scream it, but I can't. But I'm at 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so dang thankful for y'all. Like, it really means a lot to me, you guys. So if this is your first time watching my video, hi, and I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button, girl, because I would really appreciate it if you join my little fam. It means the world to me, you guys. So I hope you guys stick around and hit that subscribe button. My channel consists of like luxury items, vlogs, family style vlogs, because I'm a mommy, and also, you guys, I do like hauls and stuff, so it's a little bit of everything. So make sure you guys stick around. You guys, this item that I'm gonna be doing as a giveaway, it means so much to me to do this, you guys, and if I continue to get y'all support, I can do more giveaways, honestly. So hope you guys are here to support, because I can do more giveaways then. But yeah, make sure you guys watch till the end, and I will give you guys all the rules, and I will also link them. Wow, I'll also leave them down below in the description box. So, but yeah, make sure you guys please watch till the end so y'all can see. And when you watch till the end, it actually helps me out. So I hope you guys, it's a win-win. I hope you guys stick around for that. And I did a poll on Instagram and on YouTube, and this item won. So, and then again, like I said, this is like extremely big for me to do this giveaway. So it's right here, but I'll show you guys at the end. So yeah, before we get started, guys, I've been MIA for a little bit, and it's because I'm a mom, and you know, everybody is doing homeschooling. You guys, if you're mommies, you know that it's been crazy hectic. Plus I have a little one, she's 1, and I have my 5-year-old. He's driving me nuts. So it's like so much going on, but I'm trying, y'all. But follow me on Instagram, you guys, because I show you guys everything. Like, I do polls, like I said, on all that stuff. I'm more active on Instagram, so follow me on there. It's at Makeup Love Divina. Can't miss it. But yeah, before we get started, I wanted to read y'all this quote. So yes, let's get started with the quote. So it reads, "When you start seeing your worth, you'll find it harder to stay around people who don't." So basically, know your worth, girl. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. Oh my gosh, you guys, here they are. And I have 3 of them because I'm a crazy, and I love these card holders, you guys. So worth every penny, in my opinion. They are amazing. Gosh, like, well, you guys can see I love them. This one I absolutely love. It's this nudie pinky color. It's so beautiful with the gold, and this one is so flexible, you guys. So I will talk more about this one in a second, but these 2 are the same, and I have the pink and the red one. This one I have for a while, so y'all can see how it holds up. But let's start with this one really quick. So this one right here, it is the pinky nude color, and this one is so flexible, you guys, that you guys can, okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys my personal stuff because I don't have any cards laying around, honestly, and everything has my personal information, so we're not gonna show that on the internet. But yes, so I would put like my ID, most used debit cards, credit cards, whatever, right here. You guys can put cash, and you can put cards in here, and you guys can put your, like, I would put like my least used cards back here. But with this one, it's so flexible, you can triple up the cards. Usually I'll double it up, but I feel like you can triple it up, and you can put extra cash and cards in here. So I absolutely love this one. I love the color. And this one I actually had for a while, you guys. So you kind of see, I used to use this almost like every day a while back, but I switch my stuff around all the time. So yeah. Oh, and really quick, this one says they all say Saint Laurent Paris, and it says made in Italy, and these are their code, or like not barcode, what is it called, serial number, or however Saint Laurent does it, but it's back here as well, and all of them have it. So yeah, this is the red one. And my favorite one is this pink one, you guys. I love pink. So this, by far, the nude one and this pink one is my favorite color. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And I love the gold hardware. So you guys, another tip. Okay, so for you guys wanting to buy your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, significant other, whatever y'all's thing is, situation is, totally fine. But you guys, this makes an awesome gift because these are only $275. Yeah, it's not like for everybody, but if you guys want to buy a nice gift, Christmas is coming around, and you know they like designer stuff and they're like starting out their collection, this is like the perfect item in my opinion. I think it's an awesome starter piece, or even if they have a big collection and you just want to get them something, this is a really good price for a card holder. Some of these card holders like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, some of them, we're not gonna yo, some of them are like $1,000 almost. It's crazy, you guys. So that's why I'm saying Saint Laurent is such a good quality piece, and it is an amazing price. So I feel like the price did go up on these because it was $250, but now they're $275. So what can you do? All the luxury prices are going way up. So you know what, you guys, this eyelash right here is not working with me. So if it looks crazy, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. My eyelash is so wonky on the side. I can see it and it's bothering me. But yeah, I absolutely love these. I recommend these 100%. So that's pretty much it for the review part, because I don't know what else I can say about them. But yeah, so we're gonna get to the best part. No, I'm just kidding. That part was good too, but this is like the happy, exciting part. So I'm gonna get to that one right now. All right, you guys. Okay, are y'all ready? Because like I said, this won on both YouTube and on Instagram. And again, this means a lot to me to do this giveaway. It's not just some like random giveaway. It was very thought out. And like I said, this shows like, I don't know if I said this, but I'm a very giving person. If I can give y'all stuff all the time, I really would, because that's just the type of person I am. So the more y'all support, the more I'm able to do giveaways, honestly. So yes. Okay, let's start off with the rules. So there's 3 rules to this one, just like my last giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. That is a very important number 1. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It is at Makeup Live Divina. I will link that down below. So all you gotta do is click and follow. Let me know you guys' dream bag or shoe or dream item you guys would love to have. It could be anything. Just leave me the comment down below and I will see all the comments and I will heart them, so your comment's not gonna go missing in action. I will see it. So make sure you guys follow those 3 rules. Very important. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and also leave me a comment down below and let me know your dream item. So it's very simple, and make sure you guys follow the rules correctly because I want to be fair to everybody. And yeah, I hope you guys will appreciate this giveaway, and I'm so excited to show y'all. So are we ready? Are we ready? Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys. And it has the sticky thing just keeps falling off, and I don't know why. But you guys, this is straight from Saint Laurent. Can you guys guess what it is? I think you guys can. You guys can guess what it is because by the title. But I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. This is a sticky tab. Okay, so when I give you guys this will come with, so I don't want to ruin it for you guys. I'm gonna be very gentle on how I open this because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, there we go. I got it. Like, girl, I don't want to mess it up because I'm trying to give you all this gift. Okay, so before we open this, actually, let me show y'all. Well, actually, let me show you guys the gift first. Oh my god, it's in such a cute bow. It's gonna kill me to open this. I don't even want to open it. Ta-da! Oh my god, they do such a cute little bow. Okay, guys, I'm sure you guys want to see what's inside, so I'm gonna open it. It's gonna kill me. I'm hopefully gonna be able to kind of wrap it how it was so you guys will get all of this stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna undo it. I'm just gonna take it off from right here, and hopefully, kind of like Louis Vuitton ones, I can just pop them back on. So here's the bow. You guys will definitely get this as well. So it says Saint Laurent on the box, you guys. Okay, they did such a good job wrapping this. I feel terrible opening this stuff up. but I want to show you guys what's in it. Again, you guys will get all of this stuff, whoever wins. And I'm trying to be very careful, so if I take a little bit, girl, I'm sorry. I am trying to open it. Oh, I love my St. Laurent store in the Scottsdale Mall. They're so amazing. But here she is. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Because this was my absolute favorite. I love this combo. Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys. I love this. I can't even talk. Look at how beautiful that is. This, honestly, I know I like brighter colors, but if I had to pick one to like live with the rest of my life, it would have to be black and gold, girl. Yes, ma'am. You guys, it's beautiful. I don't want to mess with it, but it has a little card thingy right there. I'm gonna leave it be. I don't want to mess with it too much, you guys. Oh my gosh, this means the world to me to give it to one of you guys. I'm at that point where I can do stuff like this, but again, if y'all keep on supporting me and supporting my channel, I can be able to do this more often. So yes, I'm like so excited. This means so much to me, you guys. I'm gonna put everything back nicely when I get done with the video, so that way whoever gets this is not like looking crazy. But here is my receipt. The receipt, I will not be giving the receipt because it has all my personal information on it, because I have an account with Louis Vuitton. Wow, Saint Laurent at the store. So they're but you guys can see right here, it says Saint Laurent. Well, if it focuses, but it says Scottsdale Fashion Square, and it has their number, blah blah blah. But yes, what else can I show you guys without showing you guys my name and everything on here? Okay, I'm gonna cover, just want you guys to know that it's real, and obviously I'm pretty sure you guys believe me. Let me make sure I don't have my card number on here. But yeah, here it is. It gives you guys the price and all of that. But this will be for my records only, because again, it has my name, my stuff on it, and I will not be giving this receipt. So yes, you guys, oh my gosh, thank you a million times. If I'm repetitive, I'm sorry, but this means a lot to me to give this to you guys. So hopefully you guys stick around and continue to support, and make sure you guys definitely subscribe. I love you guys till the end. This is amazing, and I'm so thankful for y'all. So yes, hope you guys hit that subscribe button like I said, and follow the rules for the giveaway. And yeah, stick around and find out who wins. I'll do 4 weeks for this one, so a month. So from starting the day you see that it's uploaded, because I'm gonna try to get it up today, but when you see the date from it's uploaded to 4 weeks from after that, that's when I will announce the giveaway winner. Yay!
4 to 6 weeks later.
So yeah, you guys have plenty of time to support, and I will be fair as I can, so make sure you guys follow the rules and be fair as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.